said, because they said you'll get access to some labs, access to the lab, and maybe there's something for you. So for knowing more, you just need to deep down in the project. Miami Labs suite created by Messi Creep FGCC holders. Okay, there are some top projects which made there is a website. Looks weird. Let the fun begin by the this I like it. I just like most of the websites in each project because they are so user interactive. It's so fun. It's always so fun. I wish I could get the monkey out of it, but it's fun, bro. It's fun. Okay. By the way, tweet to reveal roadmap team. Okay, there's a roadmap. This is the thing which you need to know the most. Art, community, mint, and then tweet reveal. Then tweet to earn lab, merge, pets claim. Okay, so there's a lot of things. Roadmap 2.0. The team, this is the team people, founder. Okay, Goose. I like it. I know Goose in Solana. FunApes creator, strategic advisor. So this is the artist, maybe, right? If I'm not wrong. Creator of FunApes. Yeah, he's the artist, and he is the strategic advisor, which having 80. Oh, Brando. I've heard about it. Just give me a follow. This guy is advisor, and this is the main founder, which is his name is Sean Crypto and NFT enthusiast, founder of FunApes NFT. X marketing. Okay, he did marketing, so he has experience X marketing to these projects, apocalyptic apps. So yeah, that's how you should study more. I have just gave a short brief. Actually, you need to learn much more before investing on them. Okay, there's another lab I can see. Eco key 0 points. Let's see what they're doing. There's only 314 items. The Eco key is exclusive all access token to all IP productions and events across the entire 0 point ecosystem. With a supply of 350, the Eco key will unlock free and enhanced access to all of 0 point future primary collection, behind the scene experiments, pre screening, and red carpet events, as well as